Hello everyone, welcome to the official God's Plan YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic biodiversity and natural resources. Hope you guys like this video. At first, we have to know what is biodiversity. So let's go. Biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine and other aquatic ecosystems, and the ecological complexes of which they are part. There are three types of biodiversity. They are genetic diversity, means diversity within species. For examples, blue whales, white pine trees, white-tailed bear. Species diversity means diversity between species. Suppose different varieties of rose flower, different breed of dog. And ecological diversity means the diversity between ecosystems like deserts, forests, grasslands, wetlands. Among all of them, species diversity is an important part of biodiversity because the more species that live and coexist in one area, the more biodiverse that area is. Therefore, the more biodiverse the ecosystem is. For understanding the concept of biodiversity, we have to know what is species. So guys, species are a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. Now guys, we have to know about the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the study of interrelationship among the living organisms, physical features, biochemical processes, natural phenomena and human activities in ecological communities. Within any given area, living and non-living interact with each other. Together, these things forms an ecosystem. Now guys, this is the right time to understand the relationship between biodiversity and available resources. We can say a reduction in biodiversity minimizes the capacity of ecosystem to provide a stable and sustainable supply of essential goods and services such as clean air and water, and also reduces genetic variability, which could be the cause of decreasing the amount of natural resources available for future use. Also, biodiversity is known as a vital renewable resource because that sustains us and our economies. It is important because it provides functioning ecosystem that supply oxygen, clean air and water, medicines, pollination of plants, pest control, wastewater treatment and many ecosystem services. So, what's the facts behind laws of biodiversity? We human beings are the main culprit behind the biodiversity loss. The main threat facing biodiversity globally are climate change, habitat change, over-exploitation, pollution and introduction of invasive alien species. This is the high time to protect our natural resources. So, we have to know how to take essential precautionary measures. For that, at first we have to introduce, reduce, reuse and recycle in our lifestyle. Proper education helps to understand the importance and value of natural resources. We have to conserve water and think about sustainable development. Reduce the use of plastics. We all have to shop wisely. Use long-lasting light bulbs. Beware of sending chemical into our waterways. And another one is driverless vehicles. And last but not the least, that is tree plantation. Because tree provides food and oxygen. They help to save energy, clean the air and help combat climate change. So guys, come and let's make the earth green. Subscribe our channel if you liked our video. Thank you all.